Some Ford F-150 engines have earned legendary reputations for durability. Others have left owners facing $5,000 to $7,000 repair bills before hitting 100,000 miles. The difference isn't luck, it's engineering. In this video, we're breaking down the 3 worst and 4 best F-150 engines ever built, including the turbo engine that sparked endless debates, the surprisingly strong underdog, and the powerhouse mechanics actually trust. Stay to the end, because one simple buying rule could save you thousands. Number 3. Worst. 3.5-liter PowerBoost hybrid. This engine promised the future of trucks, but early owners quickly realized they were part of a real-world experiment, like buying the first generation of a brand-new smartphone before all the bugs are worked out. When Ford launched the 3.5-liter PowerBoost hybrid, it truly delivered on performance. With 430 horsepower and 570 pound-feet of torque, it instantly became one of the most powerful engines ever offered in the F-150 lineup. Fuel economy also improved, with EPA ratings around 24 miles per gallon combined, noticeably better than most traditional V8 F-150s. On paper, it looked like the perfect blend of power, towing strength, and efficiency, a truck that could work hard and save fuel at the same time. And for many owners, that promise felt real at first. The truck was smooth, quiet, and extremely responsive, especially in city driving where hybrid torque shines. But as mileage began approaching the 30,000 to 60,000 mile range, reports of reliability concerns started growing. Consumer Reports gave the PowerBoost a poor reliability rating, dropping as low as 4 out of 100 in 2022, citing problems with electrical systems, transmission behavior, drivetrain components, and in-car electronics. The challenge isn't raw performance, it's complexity. Hybrid systems add high-voltage components, extra wiring, and more software integration, making repairs more expensive and diagnostics more complicated. When everything works, the truck feels like the future. But once issues appear, ownership can quickly become frustrating and costly. This is the engine that proves advanced technology can deliver huge rewards, but sometimes long-term reliability takes longer to catch up. But Ford's biggest reliability headache started long before hybrids ever entered the picture. Number 2 worst. First-gen EcoBoost engines. This was the engine that changed the truck world, but it also became one of Ford's most controversial long-term reliability debates. When the first-generation 3.5-liter EcoBoost hit the F-150, it was a game-changer. Ford replaced traditional V8 thinking with twin-turbo power, delivering around 365 horsepower and 420 pound-feet of torque, numbers that shocked truck buyers at the time. It towed strong, felt fast off the line, and offered better fuel economy than many V8 competitors, typically in the 17 to 22 miles per gallon range depending on setup. For many drivers, it felt like the perfect modern truck engine. But as mileage started climbing, the story changed. Many owners began reporting issues around 80,000 to 120,000 miles, and sometimes earlier. Timing chain stretch became a well-known problem, often caused by long oil change intervals, leading to startup rattles and expensive repairs. It was a bit like stretching a rubber band too far over time. Eventually, it loses its tension, and everything depending on it starts falling out of sync. Carbon buildup on intake valves reduced performance and required costly cleaning. Intercooler condensation problems caused hesitation or misfires during heavy acceleration, especially in humid climates. Turbocharger wear, cam phaser noise, and high-pressure fuel system concerns added to the list, turning what looked like a smart upgrade into a maintenance-heavy ownership experience. The biggest issue wasn't a single catastrophic failure, it was the pattern. Several medium-cost problems stacked together over time, creating repair bills that surprised many buyers expecting traditional truck durability. Like small leaks in different parts of a roof, each one manageable alone, but together they slowly become a much bigger headache. If you want to buy this engine, look for proof of frequent oil changes, updated timing components, and records showing intercooler or turbo-related maintenance. A well-maintained example can still run strong, but neglect is where these engines become expensive fast. And now, we get to the engine mechanics still warn truck buyers about more than any other. Number 1 worst. 5.4-liter Triton V8, the spark plug nightmare. This engine powered millions of Ford trucks, but it also created some of the most expensive repair nightmares in F-150 history. For many owners, it started as a dependable workhorse and ended as a mechanic's cautionary tale. When the 5.4-liter Triton V8 was introduced, it looked like the perfect workhorse for American truck owners. Depending on the model year, it produced roughly 300 horsepower and 365 pound-feet of torque. giving drivers solid towing power and that classic V8 feel buyers trusted. It became one of Ford's best-selling truck engines because it felt strong, familiar, and built for heavy-duty use. For many early owners, the engine seemed reliable during the first years on the road, especially when mileage stayed below the 70,000 to 90,000 mile range. But as miles added up, major weaknesses started appearing. The most infamous issue involved spark plugs, some breaking off inside the cylinder head during removal, turning a simple service into a costly repair. It was a bit like trying to unscrew a rusted bolt that snaps halfway out, leaving the hardest part stuck deep where it's hardest to reach. Cam phaser failure caused loud ticking noises and rough running, often linked to oil pressure problems. Timing chain tensioners wore out, creating rattles at startup and eventually leading to serious engine damage if ignored. Oil sludge buildup from extended oil change intervals made the situation worse, accelerating wear on internal components. Like slowly clogging arteries in the human body, sludge restricts the oil flow the engine depends on to stay healthy. If you want to buy this engine, or already own one, maintenance becomes everything. Use high-quality full synthetic 5W20 oil and change it every 3,000 to 5,000 miles, even if the manual says longer. Keep oil levels perfect, listen for early ticking noises, and replace spark plugs carefully using updated procedures. With strict maintenance, some owners still see long life, but neglect turns this V8 into a very expensive lesson. Here's the good news. Not every F-150 engine is a headache. The difference usually comes down to three simple factors: engine maturity, mechanical simplicity, and how much refinement the design has received over time. When Ford improves and perfects an existing formula instead of constantly reinventing it, reliability tends to improve dramatically. And that's exactly what brings us to the F-150 engines that mechanics actually recommend and owners trust for long-term durability. Number 4 best, 3.3-liter V6. This engine doesn't try to impress you, and that's exactly why so many owners trust it for long-term reliability. The 3.3-liter naturally aspirated V6 may be the base engine in the Ford F-150 lineup, but its simple design is actually its biggest strength. With no turbos or hybrid systems to complicate things, it focuses on durability and predictable performance, which is why fleet buyers and budget-conscious owners often choose it. Under the hood, the 3.3-liter V6 produces 290 horsepower and 265 pound-feet of torque, using Ford's twin independent variable cam timing, TIVCT, and a port fuel/direct injection system that uses 2 injectors per cylinder. That setup helps improve combustion efficiency, fuel economy, and throttle response while keeping long-term maintenance relatively straightforward. It's a bit like having both a sprinkler and a precision nozzle watering the same garden. One keeps things flowing broadly, while the other targets exactly where fuel needs to go for efficient combustion. Auto start-stop technology also helps reduce fuel use during city driving, making it practical for everyday work. Paired with a 6-speed automatic transmission, this engine offers respectable capability for a base setup. Properly equipped, it can tow up to 7,700 pounds and handle a maximum payload of about 1,990 pounds, proving that you don't need expensive upgrades to get real truck usefulness. Owners appreciate how consistent and drama-free it feels compared to more complex turbocharged options. It's not built to win races. It's built to start every morning, handle daily jobs, and keep ownership costs predictable for years. But if you want more power without giving up reliability, number 3 best, 5.0-liter V8. This is the engine that reminds truck buyers why a naturally aspirated V8 still matters. The Ford 5.0-liter V8 has built a loyal following because it delivers classic muscle without relying on turbochargers or complicated hybrid systems. For many drivers, that simplicity brings peace of mind, especially if turbocharged engines make you nervous. It's the kind of engine that feels strong, sounds right, and carries the traditional truck personality buyers expect. Under the hood, the 5.0-liter V8 produces around 395 to 400 horsepower and up to 410 pound-feet of torque, making it one of the most powerful naturally aspirated options in the F-150 lineup. Like other modern Ford engines, it benefits from twin independent variable cam timing and a direct injection system that helps balance performance and efficiency. Think of it like a heavyweight athlete who doesn't need performance enhancers, just pure strength, proper breathing, and good timing to deliver serious power. It's paired with a smooth 10-speed automatic transmission, and depending on configuration, it can tow up to 10,600 pounds and handle payload ratings around 3,270 pounds. The engine is also flexible enough to be converted for propane or compressed natural gas use, which adds to its versatility for commercial owners. Reliability is generally strong, which is why many long-term owners still recommend it. The main concern reported in some 2018 to 2020 models involves oil consumption, though most drivers manage it with careful monitoring and regular maintenance. Overall, the 5.0-liter remains a dependable choice for buyers who want straightforward power, strong towing capability, and that unmistakable V8 sound without unnecessary complexity. But what if a smaller engine quietly delivers big performance with surprising durability? Number 2 best, 2.7-liter EcoBoost. This is the engine that surprises almost everyone. Small on paper, but incredibly strong where it matters most. The 2.7-liter EcoBoost has earned a reputation as the best daily driver engine in the F-150 lineup because it balances power, fuel economy, and real-world usability better than many larger options. Buyers often expect it to feel underpowered, but one good test drive usually changes that opinion quickly. It's quick, responsive, and far more capable than its size suggests. Under the hood, the 2.7-liter twin-turbo V6 produces about 325 horsepower and 400 pound-feet of torque thanks to intercooled turbos, TIV-CT timing, and Ford's direct injection system. Some internal components even use high-strength iron similar to Ford's Power-Stroke diesel engines, which helps durability. Paired with a 10-speed automatic, it can tow up to roughly 8,500 pounds and haul around 2,470 pounds, depending on configuration. In everyday driving, this engine feels fast, smooth, and efficient, and many owners say it has more than enough power for commuting, road trips, and light towing. Real-world experience is where this engine shines. Drivers report towing trailers across long distances without feeling short on power, even in mountain grades. Maintenance is straightforward but important. Turbos reward good habits. So many owners use full synthetic oil and shorten oil changes to about 5,000 to 7,000 miles instead of stretching to 10,000 miles. Premium fuel gives slightly stronger performance, but it runs fine on regular gas. For most drivers, this engine proves that you don't need big displacement to get real truck performance. And then there's the engine that finally perfected the EcoBoost formula. Number 1 best, latest Gen 3.5-liter EcoBoost. This is the engine that finally perfected the EcoBoost idea. Massive torque, serious towing muscle, and performance that makes a half-ton truck feel effortless. The latest generation 3.5-liter EcoBoost takes everything Ford learned from early turbo engines and turns it into something far more refined. It delivers power instantly, pulls hard at low RPM, and never feels like it's working too hard. For many drivers, this is the engine that makes the F-150 feel unstoppable. Under the hood, the 3.5-liter twin-turbo V6 produces around 375 horsepower and 470 pound-feet of torque, using TIV-CT timing, direct injection, and auto start-stop technology to balance performance and efficiency. Think of the twin turbos like two powerful lungs helping the engine breathe deeper and push harder. The moment you touch the throttle, the truck responds with a surge of torque that feels immediate and effortless. Paired with a 10-speed automatic transmission, it can tow up to roughly 13,200 pounds and haul about 3,230 pounds, making it one of the strongest towing setups in the half-ton segment. That torque arrives early in the RPM range, which is why daily driving feels relaxed and confident. Instead of revving high to make power like older engines, it delivers strength right where drivers actually use it. Real-world feedback backs it up. Drivers hauling trailers or boats regularly mention how calm and stable the engine feels under load, even on steep grades or long highway pulls. The newer versions also improved reliability compared to early EcoBoost generations, thanks to updated timing components and better cooling strategies. It's not just about numbers, it's how smooth and confident everything feels behind the wheel. This is the engine that finally proved turbo trucks can outperform V8s without sacrificing reliability. So, why do some F-150 engines struggle, while others become legends? Why some engines fail and others succeed? Some engines struggle because they are introduced too early before the technology is fully refined. They often rely on complex systems added too quickly, which creates more failure points over time. When an engine uses unproven designs or new technology without enough real-world testing, reliability tends to suffer once mileage climbs. On the other hand, engines that succeed usually come from years of refinement. Proven architecture, simpler engineering choices, and gradual improvements make a huge difference in long-term durability. These engines benefit from lessons learned over multiple generations, which reduces surprises for owners. The pattern is clear across almost every truck lineup. Reliability improves when technology matures, and complexity is kept under control. Final buyer rule. If you remember nothing else from this video, remember this simple buyer rule. Avoid first-generation engine experiments whenever possible. Early versions often carry hidden problems that only show up after thousands of miles, and those repairs can get expensive fast. Instead, focus on engines that have been refined over several years. By the time an engine has gone through updates and improvements, most early weaknesses have already been addressed. That usually means more predictable ownership and fewer surprises. And finally, simple, proven designs almost always win in the long run. Engines with fewer complications tend to last longer, cost less to maintain, and give you far fewer headaches. And that one rule alone can save you thousands. Which Ford F-150 engine surprised you the most? Have you owned one of the problem engines? Or one of the legends? Hit if you want a full breakdown of F-150 engine reliability by mileage, and subscribe for more smart truck buying guides. Because the wrong engine can cost you thousands, but the right one can reward you for years.